Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make money from Google search. So you literally be on Google just like this and type something like make money or cat videos, just like this. You search for it and make money. No, literally there's no cat, it's absolutely free and you can start it right now, probably today. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, and me and my team, 2 video editors, we try to upload from 1 to 3 videos every single day for you to gain value with the best tips online. But before we start, I need you to give this video a like, and I will shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool or your YouTube account, Instagram account, TikTok account down below. Take it, put it, there's a shout out jar, and shout you out because you're awesome in one of the next videos. Okay, so how does it all work and why does it all work? As you can see, when I type cat videos, if one of the results is a Pokemon or a dog, it will not be relevant. And brands and Google as a search engine and different other search engines want the results that appear on their search engine to be relevant. And this cannot be done via automation, right? They have all these algorithms, all these computers at their disposal to actually automate a lot of this process. But for this, you need a real human being to just see whether or not this is relevant. For example, if I type in cat video panda, I want to see a cat and a panda, right? But if I see a cat and a giraffe, for example, that would not be relevant. But it's funny as that is, that's actually there's pandas and cats in videos for some reason. But if I see a dog, I have to tell the platform that I'll make money with. So you understand that there's a need in the market and you can feel that need. And I'll tell you one of the websites, and it's actually called Search Evaluation. And the website that helps you do that is actually called Lionbridge. There's other websites as well, but they have lionbridge.ai and they have in their services, you can see that they have search evaluation. If you go here, it says that improve search relevance through general or specialized search engine evaluation performed by our smart cloud. So what is search evaluation in a digital world where a large percentage of all online traffic is driven by search engines? Improving the relevancy of your search results can lead to major profits. That's really true, especially with paid clicks. And if the user experience is high, people spend more time on the platform searching for different stuff, which will result in more ads presented, more money in their pockets. So this is what they do. They have 1 million contributors, 20 years of experience, and so far you can use it on your own. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. This is no BS, very quick video. Hope you enjoyed, and by the end of this video, remember that the video that keeps Dr. Wade. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice. Don't sue me, bro. Results can vary and you gotta check one of these videos. See you next one. Bye.